Videotape me. You fat fucking piece of shit. Bird! Fuck you! This isn't going on Facebook or anything. I'm gonna fucking sleep. This birdie's throwing me asleep. You fucking cunt wagon. You stupid, retarded fucking piece of shit stepchild, fat fucking Flappy Bird. You fuck! You couldn't flap your fat ass a little faster? Oh, I hate this bird. How? You're fucking, if anything, you're God. Fucking Virgin Mary. Oh my fucking Lord. Fuck. I'm gonna have a fucking anxiety attack. This fucking stupid game. God, I'm gonna cry. That's how bad this game pisses me the fuck off! I wanna fucking kill you. The glass still hanging off my fucking face too. I look like a fucking moron. That's not going on Facebook. I'll kill you if I see that on Facebook. I'll dump you if I see that on Facebook.
It's not going on Facebook.
You fat piece of shit. If they had an Olympic competition for who is the fattest fucking worthless piece of shit red bird, you'd win. Why? 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 Fuck. He didn't even touch it. He didn't even fucking touch it. Oh my fuck, yo. Why?
I'm starting to get nervous.
Oh, you fat fucker. You piece of fat fuck. I hate my life. Lizzie, if you don't get that fucking camera out of my fucking face, you're never gonna get sex again.
I'm not so fucked. Okay, I stopped it.